Welcome back, you guys. I'm hanging out with Dr. McDonough from McDonough Orthodontics, and I have to tell you, I took Brielle's 10, I took her in to see good old Doc, and I learned a lot about orthodontics and a lot about when these kids are ready. You see a lot of kids.
We see a lot of kids.
And what age do you think people should be going in to talk with you?
We recommend that we see kids at age 7. Most of that is preventative, so
Yeah.
we can see and catch things early and prevent bigger problems later. Most of those kids aren't going to need anything early, but it's nice to see something when we can make a difference or do something early. It's usually small and simple. That ounce of prevention kind of thing makes a big difference later on. Keeps things simple, fewer compromises, less expense.
Yes. Well, and that's what I learned. I learned so much when I went in there. First of all, your staff is unbelievably nice.
Thank
Such
you.
a great staff. And I learned a lot. First of all, I love that Brielle had lost almost all of her teeth.
Mm-hmm.
And you basically need to lose all your teeth before you can get your braces on, right?
Right. Well, with a full set. Mm-hmm.
Yes, but there are things like braces don't just straighten teeth, right?
Right. There's more to braces. The teeth straightening is an important part of things. You know, we don't want to discount the fact that beautiful teeth, a confident smile makes a difference in someone's psychosocial development. However, as an orthodontist, we're looking at facial symmetry, we're looking at jaw growth, we're looking at the bite, the long-term health of the jaw joints and the teeth themselves, as far as tooth wear and so forth.
That's what was so interesting to me. I learned so much. So, okay, another quick question. Do you need to have a referral from a dentist before you see an orthodontist?
You know, it's been traditional, and we depend on our dental colleagues to send folks over. Having said that, orthodontists will see patients all the time. I mean, if you simply have a concern, you know, you had questions about Brielle, you brought her in, and we were able to give you information right off the bat. And then, as the orthodontic specialist, we then communicate with your family dentist to let them know we've seen so-and-so, we're watching these things, and we're going to take care of these items, kind of thing.
Okay, so how do braces hurt? When you actually get braces on, like, what's the process like?
That's one of the more common questions we get. Do braces hurt? Putting them on, we simply use a special adhesive to place them on the teeth. So putting them on doesn't hurt at all. You don't need shots or laughing gas or anything along those lines. Once they're on, we do depend on the biology of the body to move the teeth. So there is an initial inflammatory response that does create a little bit of soreness, but it's more like having bruised teeth. It lasts for 2 or 3 days, and then everyone can kind of carry on with their lives. So.
Okay, so I know that now there's a lot of different options. There's not just braces, there's Invisalign and things like that. When would you know which one to go with?
A lot of that is case selection. The Invisalign, for example, requires more patient compliance. It's more of a team effort, and so that's more commonly used with adult patients or very responsible teenager patients. Having said that, braces are a tried and true method. The braces have gotten a lot better. There's clear braces, they're smaller, they're more comfortable, but we do a lot of Invisalign in our practice, and I think it's a fantastic technology.
Well, you guys you're so knowledgeable, you're so great, and taking Brielle in there, I mean, she's counting down the days till she loses all of her teeth and can go in to Dr. McDonough and get her braces on. So you're doing something right over there.
Thank you. She's a cute girl.
She is. She's great. Where do people find you?
They can find us on 13th East and about 60th South, McDonough Orthodontics. They can find us online, of course, McDonoughortho.com. We'd love to help out any way we can.
Yep, you guys are great. Thank you.
you.
Thanks for being here. All right, you guys, coming up next, we are going to be highlighting some of Utah's local products, so stay tuned.
Also coming up on Good Things Utah, this isn't your average grocery store manager. We are honoring someone in our community who is doing the right thing. Stay with us.